One of the most important steps in successful and efficient recipe creation is something called mise en place. It's a French culinary term meaning everything in place, from your ingredients to your kitchen tools to your kitchen equipment. This helps to make recipe creation simple and efficient. There are several reasons why taking the time to do this is very helpful when it comes to kitchen creations. First, mise en place helps you to feel mentally organized and be physically organized as you set out to prepare plant-based recipes, helping to build your inner chef confidence. Second, mise en place sets you up for success. For example, for recipes that come together quickly, if you have a portion of the recipe that requires you to cook something on the stove and you don't have the next step ingredients ready, you don't want to scurry around the kitchen looking for ingredients, risking the chance of that recipe on the stove burning or overcooking. By having everything in place, you can focus on the task at hand and be prepared for the next steps. Third, setting up everything ahead of time makes recipe creation super efficient. It also makes the entire culinary experience more pleasurable and less stressful. A fourth reason mise en place is so great is because it gives you a reason to invest in some inexpensive and fun bowls, dishes, and jars to help with the organization. So, for example, I've got my vegetables cut up in these medium-sized clear glass bowls. I've got my spices in these cute little ceramic bowls. And then I've got my flour in a medium clear glass bowl. And for my liquids, I like to use mason jars or reuse old condiment jars that I have on hand after they've been sterilized. It's a really great way to use what you have on hand and have fun with the organizing. Finally, you are going to feel like a plant-based pro with organization, efficient recipe preparation, and a beautiful array of plant-based ingredients. You're going to feel like a plant-based professional chef in no time. Here's some food for thought. Think about what recipe you can create this week where you can practice mise en place, and comment below to let us know what that recipe is, and then comment again once you created that recipe to let us know about the experience.